world has changed. People live in a big rush, still looking for something, chasing something. There is no time to spare. The communication has changed. People are more into their phones than each other. Technology took the reality away. The amount of likes in social media is more important than true friends. How did it look like before? Do you want to stay like this? Just stop for a while and think. Do you want to live your life in this way? No reality. People weren't so shy to talk face to face before. So why should you be now? Think about true friends, family, reality, without fake acceptance.
In today's video, we will be showing you some of the top best cafes in Ras Al Khaimah. We have chosen cafes from different areas throughout Ras Al Khaimah to be able to present a clear image of how each individual likes to enhance their work performance. Moreover, we have gathered around to present and identify strengths about each restaurant and what kind of story is being told by the design that is being presented in the coffee shop.
We are students from the American University of Ras Al Khaimah, and this is our final project assigned to us by Professor Hanan for the Reading Image and Film course. Today, me and Karam Hijjawi, Mohammed Msimir, Firas Sadiq, Malik Al Omar, and Tariq Shawabke gathered in front of Manar Mall along with the Public Services Department to distribute Ramadan iftar food to show people how the Year of Tolerance is, especially in Ras Al Khaimah. We distributed food to people from many different nationalities and cultures, and the experience was great. We got to work hand in hand with locals and other people from different nationalities. After our fast has been broken, we went to interview 3 people from 3 different nationalities and asked them about the Year of Tolerance, especially in the holy month of Ramadan.
How do you think Ramadan is being represented in the UAE?
Yung ano niya ay Ramadan is the holy month of Muslims and is being represented in the UAE in a way where everyone is coming together in one hand. Everyone is sacrificing their needs to help others in this month. The UAE government is providing food and water in tents for those who are fasting, and also providing food for other people of different religions.
How are different people from different cultures coming together in the UAE and especially during the holy month of Ramadan?
The
UAE is very diverse and has people from all over the world. People in the UAE come together as one hand and help each other. Religion does not separate us. The UAE is bringing us all together.
How is the year of tolerance being represented in the UAE, especially in the holy month of Ramadan?
The year of tolerance is very important and very valuable, not only to the locals but to the people who come from outside. I thank God for the good deeds the UAE is providing for us. The year of tolerance contributes to directing cultural and religious tolerance around the UAE.
For centuries, the Arabs held camel racing to celebrate special occasions. Now it is one of the richest sports in the world. The winner of the race stands a chance to win $1 million. This is Abdullah explaining how long camel racing has lasted. These are the camels waiting to race with their robots on them.
This is one of the oldest camel rearers. He has reared these camels for almost 30 years. He says, "A lot of people come from all over the world to view this."
The last 50 years, this camel racing has been transformed, echoing changes that have swept all over Arabia. Jockeys are now replaced by robots to save the weight.
This is the camel rearing house. These camels are about 15 to 12 years old each. There is a 2-month-old baby camel being fed milk by its mother. Abdullah, who is a member of the family who rears camels, explains that these camels have a very good historical meaning to the Arab culture. This is Abdullah, showing Nadia how to extract milk from the camel. The camels that are kept in this section are camels that have succeeded in the race. Lastly, there's a get-together by every member of the family where they all come and sit down, eat, laugh, and talk about life. This is what the Arab culture looks like.
Today is Ramadan. Ramadan is the 9th month of the Islamic calendar.
Barak alaykum shahr Ramadan.
We start the day by eating suhoor before Al-Fajr prayer. After, we start fasting, no eating, no drinking. Now, let's see what everyone does in Ramadan. Our housemaid is making my little brother's bed. He is helping her. My little sister is fasting this year. She learned how to pray and she is reading Quran. My father takes my little brother to the masjid. They give charity to people who are in need. In the kitchen, my mom, brother, and the housemaid are making the food. Now, let's make the dining table before Maghrib Azan. And now, it's iftar time. And of course, we don't forget the Jews of Ramadan, Vimto. Who doesn't love Ramadan?
It's the first thing you do when you wake up in the morning.
I catch my phone, check how my mom is doing.
Why do you use social media so much?
That's what everyone does these days, you know. Hashtag mama lover.
What are you thinking about this time?
That I love my cats.
What are you looking for?
Okay, I hate them. I hate them.
Acceptance. Friends.
I don't know.
What is your source of happiness?
It's too late.